How's it going? This is what I've been waiting for. Let's check it out. So, just picked this up right here. It's a Nikon 1020 lens. Couldn't afford the 18 or what was it, 1024? Couldn't afford the 1024, but 1020 should do it. So, right now I'm using the Nikon kit lens. So it's the, what is it, 1855. It's on D5200. Links in the description below if you guys want to see any of that stuff and add it to your own arsenal. But yeah, let's check this guy out right here. I've been waiting for this lens for a little while. I've been trying really hard to decide what kind of lens I want, and obviously I have the kit lenses that come with the Nikon camera. So this right now, what you see here, this is the 1855 set to basically an 18, obviously, because you know, we're right here, we're right up close right now. So I went with the 1020. This is the lens I decided to get. I looked at quite a few of them. This obviously was price point. There's a 1024 lens as well. This is a DX. It does have VR stabilization. Nice, it's got the VR right there. No autofocus though. Let's have a look and see what the upgraded lens can do for this face. Wow, that is a super wide. Okay, I'm really liking how this looks. What do you guys think? Let's see here. I think I'm gonna have to get a light now. I can really see how bad the lighting is in here. Very, very nice. All right, so now we can, easy. Now we can do like the super style here. There we go. All right, guys, welcome to the vlog today. We're going to try out the new lens. This is really cool. Look at how wide that is. That is awesome. So super wide. Wow. Wicked. It's gonna be my new favorite lens. And like, even when you're out here, look, you can still like zoom in and lock. There we go. Okay, guys. It's like, this is focus. Does it focus? I think it does. Oh. Okay, I think that's better, no? That's better. Okay, now, looks like it's in focus. Okay, this lens is cool. But that's not zoom. Okay, here we are. Look at that. You are my new favorite lens. Wow. Okay, definitely my new favorite lens, for sure.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.